Morning world. It's a very chilly morning here in Osaka. We are just going a stone's throw away from the hotel to grab our brunch. It's a I just hope that they're open today. Yeah, but I just hope that they're open today. It's nice though, this one. Cool. Closed. No! This one sells like Kobe beef with like omelette, so it's actually pretty awesome, but it's quite shitty that they're closed. Why? Why do you close today? It's Kobe Muguni. Yeah, okay, let's try it tomorrow then. No! You've always got to love their convenience stores. And why I like it exceptionally much is I can get my whiskey, kaku, for like 630 yen. Even the bigger bottle, look at it. The 700 mils one is 1666. What? There's a full range here. It's not just, you know. And you have wine. Look at the wine selection. I don't know if I'm talking to like, and then look at the strong zero. The whole selection of alcohol is just fantastic. I like it. Yeah. We ended up here at Ichiran. But the queue is okay. And here's what you get. Here's the menu. And you notice that Ichiran, only idiotic tourists like us will eat it. Locals don't even bother because it's not all tourists. But it's okay lah, it's not so bad lah, eh?
It's nice.
Decided, hey, we might do Nakao instead. But beside Nakao, there's this Rikimaru, which is literally Karo. So I'm decided, you know, let's maybe just go for the Karo and see how it goes. Alright, we are now selecting the meat from here, and we've got a view of the train coming by. But yeah, let's eat! Alright. It was a... Wait, but it says poo! It says poo! I was following instructions. If I know what heaven looks like, it's places like these. Okay, that's not what I was looking a little bit earlier. How about this guy? Hello! Hi! Hi! So nice! Oh my god! Hello! You see yourself? You see yourself? I am at Yodobashi Camera because I bought myself something awesome. Thought I'd share with you. And I'm only here waiting because Levon's trying out pillows. Speaking of pillows, you know, the amount of items that we've bought so far is insane. And I think we don't have enough space despite having 2 big size luggages, 1 small luggage, 1 duffel. In fact, I think it's 1 duffel, 1 big duffel, 1 small duffel. So we don't have enough space. So we probably have to buy another luggage. I don't know, man. Levon's trying out pillows though. Anyways, I bought myself this. It's called Bermuda the Lantern. Bermuda's the company that makes the toasters, the kettle and stuff like that. I bought this lantern. Look at that. Yeah, I'm quite excited to open this up on the channel when I'm back in Singapore. So that'll be fun, I guess. But yeah. And we have a train ride back to carry all this stuff. Tomorrow we're going to Kyoto and it's going to be fun, but that also means that we need to like this. Yeah. But that also means that we need to pack for Kyoto tonight. We're gonna leave the luggages in the hotel and then go over to Kyoto tomorrow. Yeah, man, I don't know. It's gonna be a fierce one, but yeah. I'm gonna wait a little while more.